You might think stress is just an annoying feeling. But the terrible truth is that stress can shrink your brain, paralyze the immune system, and it may even lead you to death many years earlier. This video is for those who want to understand exactly how stress destroys their body and mind, why it won't go away, and most importantly, how can it really be controlled? So watch until the end, because this might be the only time in your life that you'll truly understand how stress is destroying your future bit by bit. First, we have to accept something bitter. Stress is not our fault. Our nervous system was built millions of years ago to survive in the jungle. Our minds don't differentiate between a wild lion and a work email at 1 a.m. Cortisol and adrenaline are released right away. Your heart rate increases. Your blood sugar spikes. Your body is ready to flee. But here's the problem. Back then, the stress only lasted a few minutes. Now, the stress has become permanent, and that's where everything goes wrong. Here's another scary truth. Research shows that chronic stress can shrink the hippocampus, the memory center. That means your memory will weaken, your concentration will decrease, and you'll even increase your risk of Alzheimer's. And worst of all, stress also attacks the prefrontal cortex, where rational decisions are made, like a virus. That's why when you're under pressure, you make more mistakes, become more aggressive, and are less able to see your future logically. But the brain isn't the only victim. Your heart, lungs, stomach, and even your DNA are also damaged. High blood pressure, risk of heart attack, stomach ulcers, hair loss, abdominal obesity, all of these are signs of the invisible hands of stress on the body. A large study showed that people who experience prolonged stress, they even have a faster rate of cellular aging. That means their bodies wear out faster. Well, you might ask why stress is so widespread now. The answer is simple. Our brains are not built for digital life. Mobile notifications, job competition, debt, negative news, social media, each one acts like a wild lion attacking the body. But the difference is that these attacks never end. The result? Our body is always on alert, and that means slow and gradual burning. There's an even scarier truth. Stress reinforces itself. When you're stressed, you sleep poorly. When you sleep poorly, your brain becomes more anxious. When you get more anxious, you sleep worse again. This vicious cycle can go on for years without you even realizing you're trapped in it. But here's the good news. Stress is not a lock without a key. There are some solutions that are actually proven by science. 1. Deep and conscious breathing. 3 minutes of diaphragmatic breathing can reduce cortisol levels. 2. Regular exercise. Even a 20-minute brisk walk can help your body break out of the stress cycle. 3. Get enough sleep. Stress hormones are reset with enough sleep. 4. Meditation. MRI research shows meditation actually increases the thickness of the prefrontal cortex. 5. Social connection. When the human body connects with other people, it releases oxytocin and reduces stress. 6. Writing and clearing your mind. Recording negative thoughts makes the brain work more easily. But even with all this, one key point remains. Many people think that stress should be eliminated altogether, but that's a lie. Small amounts of it cause growth. It's called positive stress. The stress you're feeling right now, which made you come looking for this video, is an example of positive stress. The real key is this. Learn to distinguish between beneficial stress and chronic stress. Now that you understand how stress attacks your body and soul like a silent killer, ask yourself, how many years of your life do you want to lose to this invisible enemy? The choice is yours. You can take the first step right now. Take a deep breath and start again. A simple subscription, a lot of useful videos for you. Become a Mudolife member now.